So far, we've seen the experience from a user's perspective, how building performance can be understood through a guided, immersive walkthrough. Now, let's take a closer look behind the scenes to understand how this experience is structured and how the system works. The experience is powered by a structured AI interaction system integrated directly into the VR environment in Unity. In each room, the system presents contextual insights about the scenario being explored, such as temperature conditions, energy behavior, and environmental factors in a clear and guided format. The AI interaction is designed around 3 stages. Detect, where the system summarizes what is happening. Explain, where it provides more detailed reasoning. Suggest, where it offers potential actions or improvements. Each of these stages is driven by a dedicated prompt, allowing the system to control tone, clarity, and output structure at every step. Responses are generated using the OpenAI API and adapted to the specific scenario being presented. The system also supports text-to-speech, enabling responses to be read out directly within the VR environment. The current implementation uses predefined inputs and simplified logic rather than live data or dynamic analysis. It demonstrates how AI can be integrated into immersive environments to deliver clear, contextual, and easy-to-understand insights.